Welcome back. Today we're at Biohazrd near Ayr in Scotland, where we're diving into a Christmas-themed game day. The mission is cargo capture, with a festive twist. Santa's elves are guarding the presents, and the Grinchs have to steal as many as they can. Now, most of the team has pushed forward, and I'm just clearing these side rooms to make sure there are no elves trying to flank as we make our push to the North Pole. Massive shout out to the guys from Flashbang Grenade. They hooked us up with a great deal on the Mark 7 and Mark 5 bangs, which really got the blood pumping in a CQB setting.
There's one in here, whoever's on me.
We quickly realised that a head-on attack wasn't going to cut it, so we split right to flank, and Sean managed to snag our first present. Capturing the first present gave us the push we needed to try another head-on attack.
You okay? Get hit!
Here is a prime example of how not to reload your gun.
What? Good trade. Yeah, I'm going right side over. Over.
A few of us on our team are running comms, so we check in to let each other know where we are to avoid situations of friendly fire.
Ah! And you're right, going to dot over.
In the dark, it's easy to shoot friendly, so after accidentally hitting Gav, I head back to spawn to avoid messing up his push forward. Just as I'm about to call the game, I hear that we captured another present, bringing us up to a total of 2 for this round.
Game over! 3, 2, 1, game on!
With the end of round 1, it's time to switch sides. Now we're defending the North Pole.
Go left side.
Cal and I take the left flank to try and cut off any Grinchs attempting to circle around. I can't see anyone down this hallway, but I toss a BB just to be cautious while we cross. I don't cover my corners well enough while crossing this entry, and I'm taken out by some Grinchs who dug into some good firing positions.
That's it! He's in that back corner. Like the back corner.
I link back up with Callum and we focus on clearing out Babu. They're holding a great angle from that corner. A bang combined with Callum's cover and fire lets me push in and clear the room while trying to smoke Babu out.
Okay, I have another nade in my hand. Do you want to come out and surrender, or do you want to take a grenade?
I try a little bluff, knowing I don't have a bang to hand, and then force 50-50.
I don't have the pacer on, so I don't know. That's it! I feel.
At this point, Callum has respawned and is pushing up to the enemy spawn area. He taps me on the shoulder to let me know he's ready to move, so we don't give ourselves away. I start a push up to flank anyone who might be attacking the North Pole head on. I give a little wave to signal a friendly is moving up and manage to get the drop on someone. And then manage to stop a sprinting Grinchs from stealing the presents.
I stopped them from getting one. It's lying close to this spawn a minute before. Back in. Oh, can we retrieve them? Perfect. Good. Hit!
Here, fucking Davey manages to get the drop on me while I'm running to retrieve. Then he sneaks up through Padre's blind spot and then steals another present.
Good hit!
Knowing I'm pinned down, I opt to use a bang and lay down some fire to regain the advantage.
Oh, sorry. Stick to your hand. Hit! Yeah, see him. Back in. Right side, moving up the corridor.
Like earlier when I shot Gav, Sean gets me in the back, but he takes the kill. This lets me stay and defend the position while he respawns.
Thank you.
With smaller teams of about 7, I try to reposition myself after every kill to try and make it harder to find me. I catch Ian on another dash with a present, manage to stop him in his tracks again and quickly get a shot off at pistol, but it misses and goes right under his elbow and instead he tags me.
Davey's got one! Okay. Nice.
Just as I call the game, Davey sneaks another present to their base, giving them a total of 3 and securing the win for the Red Hat. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe if you enjoyed any of this content.